Meaning of Inspector Morse.
Inspector Morse.
Inspector Morse.
Inspector Morse.
Inspector Morse. Inspector Morse is a British detective television series that aired from 1987 to 2000. The show's protagonist is Chief Inspector Morse of the Thames Valley Police, who solves complex cases in and around the city of Oxford. The show is based on the novels by Colin Dexter and was highly acclaimed for its intelligent writing, strong performances, and intricate plotting. Inspector Morse has become a cult classic and spawned several spin-off series and specials, cementing its place in the pantheon of great British crime dramas.